Is Playstore supported on Chrome OS? Will Chrome OS work in dual boot? Will the hard disk be formatted after installing Chrome OS? These and many other questions you asked will be answered in today's video. Additionally, in this video, we will test this OS on an old laptop. But before moving on to the OS, let me provide you the answer to your first question. Will Chrome OS Flex work in dual boot? My answer is no. If you install this OS, not only will your Windows be removed, but your entire hard disk will be formatted. For this reason, I will test this OS on a spare laptop. And I also recommend that you take a backup of your hard disk before attempting to install it. So, now let's begin.
Let's roll.
Guys, first of all, let me show you the specifications of my PC, so that you can believe that I'm testing this program on a low-spec PC. Look, my PC has only 1 GB of RAM and a Pentium processor. Now let me show you the graphics card. See, my PC has a 64 MB graphics card. Now let's move towards the installation process. Firstly, you need to open the browser. After that, you should search for Chrome OS Flex builds. Once you've conducted the search, you need to navigate to the first website. Following that, you should download the latest version of Chrome OS Flex from here. After downloading, insert your pen drive into the PC and run Rufus. In the next step, you have to click on this button and select the Chrome OS Flex ISO. Then, click on the Start button. So, this process has started, and it will take around 25 to 30 minutes to complete.
1 hour later.
Now that the process is complete, I will restart the PC. As soon as the PC restarts, you need to press the boot key multiple times. In my compact laptop, the boot key is F9. Your boot key may be different if you're using a laptop of a different brand. Now you need to choose the USB storage device option. So, the loading process of Chrome OS Flex has started, and it will take around 25 to 30 minutes to finish. After loading is complete, you will see a certain interface, and you need to click on Get Started. After that, you will see two options. You can test it first, but I choose to install it directly by clicking on Install Chrome OS. So, our installation has started. After the installation is complete, your PC will restart. After the restart, you need to set up this OS, so let me quickly set it up. So, guys, Chrome OS Flex has finally been installed, and I am experiencing some slight stuttering, probably because my PC is quite old and it has only 1 GB of RAM. However, if you install it on a laptop with 2 GB of RAM, you won't notice any lag. Another question is whether we can install the Play Store on this OS. My answer is no. It is not possible to install the Play Store, but you can use Termux to install some other third-party app store. If you request, I can show you how to download a third-party app store in the next video. But for now, I hope all your questions related to this have been answered. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. And if you are not satisfied with this OS, I recommend trying Lineage OS. In this OS, not only will you have built-in support for the Play Store, but you can also use key mapping. If you want to see a tutorial on this OS, click on the video on the left, and I'll see you there.